Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Toyota Avalon. First, let's get started by locating the cruise control stalk, which is typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. To activate the system, simply press the on/off button located at the end of the stalk. You'll know it's ready when a green indicator light appears on your dashboard, signaling that the system is now armed and prepared for use. Once the system is active, accelerate your Avalon to your desired cruising speed. Remember, cruise control typically works best above 25 miles per hour. To set your speed, simply push the stalk down to the set position and release it. Your vehicle will now maintain that speed. If you need to make minor adjustments, gently nudge the stalk up or down to increase or decrease your speed by 1 mile per hour at a time. There are a few ways to cancel or resume your cruise control. To temporarily cancel it, simply tap your brake pedal. This will disengage the system without turning it off completely. If you wish to resume your previous set speed, just push the stalk up to the res position. To fully turn off the cruise control system, press the on/off button on the stalk once more, and the dashboard indicator light will disappear. While cruise control is a fantastic convenience, it's important to use it safely. It's best suited for open highways with steady traffic, not for congested city driving. Always avoid using cruise control during adverse weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, or icy roads, as this can be dangerous. Most importantly, always remain fully attentive to the road and be prepared to take manual control of your vehicle at any moment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.